Hi, today I'll be doing ASMAR. So right now, I have this. I've been chomping on it. Well, I've been giving Panda some. It's pretty good. So then I have this, which is just a bit colder than whatever this is, because this isn't cold. Then I have this one, and I have a bit of watermelon. And I don't know what this is. It's like you can eat it raw and you can like eat it cooked. But really good. That's spicy. Okay, that's really, really good. Okay, next we have watermelon. Can you hear that? I don't know how people make watermelon so crunchy, or like anything. They usually go really close to the camera, so. Next, I have a natural lemonade, because I don't drink soft drink that often. So when I do, I like to keep it natural. So. Oh, that scared Panda. Can you hear anything? I can't hear anything. Usually I can. It might just happen when it's cold. I don't know. But yeah, that was everything I had except for this. So if you want to see Panda have an ASMR, just comment. Just comment down below. Bye.